Foggy glasses over here. Always a problem for a man with glasses. I'm Jay, and this is Jeff. You're watching Boss Survival. We're here scouting a location for a trip that we're gonna do in a couple weeks, and we figured that it's much safer to know exactly where you're gonna go. And let's go ahead and get it started. Hello. I do my little turn on the catwalk. Let's go. It is an absolutely beautiful day. It's 28 degrees. We're dressed all warm. We have all the correct gear. It honestly feels fantastic. Couldn't have asked for a better day to go trekking into the mountains to look for a proper spot. We want to make sure we find a safe spot. Pretty much that's the most important thing. It's just all about finding a safe spot. So far it looks like it's going to be very easy to bring in the sleds. Definitely going to have to bring snowshoes. This is extremely helpful. We are snowshoeing. Yeah, snowshoeing. And we're singing out of key, yeah. Jeffrey, a little exhausted? I'm just taking a break.
Having fun in the snow, that's all.
Right?
Oh no.
You know, sometimes it's fun, you know, to act like a little kid, you know?
I'm almost 40. I had to play it off like I'm trying to be a little kid. That was a...
Right, yeah. Jeffrey's birthday's coming up, by the way, so happy birthday in advance.
Thank you, buddy.
Fantastic. Doesn't look like it'll be too bad for the sleds so far. So we are off trail, and this definitely looks like a nice spot to start. Very easy to get the sleds through here. Oh! All right, let's focus here. Oh man, without these snowshoes, we would be burning so many more calories. He's running. Jeffrey fell.
It was hard. Yeah, real funny. Dude.
You need a hand?
All right, you got me. This is not a... You got me.
This isn't a joke, folks.
Dude,
We're not doing this for YouTube here. We're not doing this for YouTube, guys. Okay? Oh, jeez. What do I put this guy here? How did this get upside down?
I fell in. Hold on. Oh,
there we go. All right, let me back up real quick.
Yeah. Dude, my hand's going 2 feet to the trail while I'm trying to get up. It's amazing.
There we go. Nice.
Oh, that 2-foot hole I fell in.
See, we are not expert snowshoers, and we're not going to pretend to be.
I was driving a little fast.
Yes, he was driving a little fast. As you saw, he suddenly became like a bunny rabbit. Oh. We're keeping in mind the sleds as we break trail. This isn't even a trail, we're totally backwards. We got some snowshoe hair tracks here. Check it out, man.
What do you need?
We got some snowshoe here. It's pretty neat because their tracks kind of resemble a bunny rabbit anyways, right? With the two bunny ears, it's ironic. Sometimes nature's funny. We're gonna look around here and see if this is a safe spot. Check for dead wood above. But this right here, this fallen tree, would be fantastic to use for materials. You want to find a spot that has a lot of materials around. You don't want to have to travel. Oh, this would be very, very perfect for a shelter. I don't see any obvious widowmakers or anything. And then this area looks kind of flat, and then there's plenty of stuff that I can work with as far as trees that I can use for shelters. So this is gonna be the spot right here. We're gonna eat some food and just hang out and just kind of look around, and then we're gonna venture. So far, this is gonna be the spot, but we're also gonna give ourselves another option, and we're gonna venture down a little ways. Also got this option right here. Would be a pain in the butt without a shovel. But look at that. That'd be perfect. This area doesn't look that bad, guys. So I think I found where I'm doing this. Such a great feeling, starting a fire. Especially in the snow here. I've mentioned this many times, you gotta have yourself a platform. You'd be so silly if you were trying to start a fire just directly on the snow. That moisture immediately would just suck up the fire. So always make sure that you have at least a little bit of something. Oh snap, don't burn your beard, dude. I'm surprised that I haven't burned my beard off. And then just remember, don't jump the gun and start putting big pieces on. Keep it small for a little while. Hobo style. A little bit of Portuguese sausage here. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Cook this, check it. Nothing beats cooking on a stick, right? Like we're in Stand By Me or something. Gotta tell some campfire stories. Definitely digging the spot here. Trying to see how deep this snow is. We got the fire going. We have to keep on feeding it because at the bottom, the snow, it's putting it out. So we have to keep on putting some stuff on the top. So far it's going well. And we got a little bit of something here. and I can hear a plane in the sky. It's a good place right here. It's pretty safe above. Sir?
Oh, thank you.
These two pieces of duck.
Just feed this puppy for a little bit.
There you go, man.
Cool.
That's a good Portuguese sausage right there. Like they did a good job making an authentic tasting one. This tastes so good after all the calories that we burnt. Jeff is the man. It's getting dark. We're gonna hang out at the fire for a little while, and then we're gonna take off. Definitely a successful scouting trip. And look at this beast. He is the fire master. Thank you so much, man. He's the beast. Fantastic. Like the Macho Man Randy Savage. Whatever's going on. Are you excited about this trip?
I'm super excited.
We've been doing this a lot for a while now. Since May of 2019, every single month, we've managed to go camping in the backwoods together.
Yep, that's when the corona and the pandemic hit. We countered by heading to the mountains.
Yeah.
Distancing ourselves from any hazards of viruses or anything the best we could.
Yeah.
And,
doing this, I mean, we love doing this so much. It lended itself very well for the year 2020. It's just been a blessing. It's such a great experience. I just feel it's therapeutic. I yearn for this. It's kind of a riot.
I've personally fallen in love with it, you know?
Yep. It's not just like a hobby. We're just not camping all the time. This is a lifestyle, and we have some plans, and we're just gonna continue to do this, and really looking forward to all the adventures we're gonna have.
Me too.
Jeffrey knows how to make a nice freaking warm fire. This dude's a beast. I'm really psyched that we came down here. We found a nice safe spot, a place with plenty of material so it can build some shelters, a place with plenty of dead wood so we can have plenty of nice big fires. We actually melted this down, I think, all the way to the ground now. This is some deep snow. This is 2 feet, I think, at least. So we're really excited, and I'm gonna start this off doing 2 days solo, and then Jeff is gonna meet Eric from Deranged Survival at the trailhead. We're gonna hang out, we're gonna share some knowledge. It's just gonna be a great time, so make sure you guys stay tuned and like and subscribe. See you later.